Wow, things are really happening in this country. Look at this old man. Who will ever believe what this old man just did? Just take your time and watch what is inside his bag. Just watch. For those policemen that always stop young boys and start searching them up and down, and they overlook some women and some old men. Just watch this video and share this video, because what you see inside this bag will shock you. This old man is carrying. Just watch carefully.
Na tare da gwangwani. In ga magana da shi. Okay, no one.
Black leather inside.
Inside? Inside the water?
Yes.
Open your blood.
You dey see am? Can you see? Can you see? Just look at. Just Jesus in the midst, inside oranges. See, it is also important. See, Jesus. See. Hey. And maybe now 2,000 they fit give this man to go do this delivery, or 1,000. You never can tell. Just make him say he chop. See, Kala. Hey, God help us.